Hello everyone, today on Simply Mercy Bee, we're making a white chocolate orange cake. The delightful combination of white chocolate and the zest of the orange along with the orange juice makes this a rich and decadent dessert. Here are the ingredients that you will need. Don't forget to check the description box down below for all measured ingredients. I have already started zesting my orange, and I'm using a large navel orange. When zesting your fruit, you want to lightly scrape the fruit to get the best flavor. As you can see, I didn't get any white part of the orange. Now I'm going to juice my orange by using a manual juicer. I'm getting a slight little workout this morning. To prepare the dry ingredients, I add the white chocolate pudding to the flour, followed by the baking soda and salt. Whisk them all together, and we're ready to make our cake. Start by adding the shortening to the mixing bowl, and I'm using a stand mixer today. Add your sugar, and we're going to let the two cream together for about 3 minutes. Okay, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. See how nice and creamy the mixture is? Now add your eggs one at a time, beating until combined. Give everything a good scrape down, making sure to get the bottom of your bowl. Now take a 1/4 cup of your fresh orange juice and add to the mixture, followed by your buttermilk, and blend until well combined. So guys, you will see me scrape down my bowl in between ingredients because I want to make sure everything is fully combined before moving on to the next ingredient. So now I have already scraped that bowl down, and we're going to go ahead and add all of our dry ingredients all at once. And we're going to beat this on a medium speed for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, go ahead and fold in your orange zest. Can you see the specks of orange? So pretty. And I wish you guys can smell that aroma. It is so beautiful. Okay, we're going to go ahead and spray a 9 by 13 inch baking spray with non-stick spray. Add the cake batter and spread smoothly. We're not done yet. We're going to sprinkle some white chocolate chips on top of the batter. And we want to go from corner to corner, and we want to make sure it's evenly distributed. Give the pan a gentle tap to sink the chips. And you want to put this into a 350 degrees oven for 30 minutes or until your toothpick comes out clean. So while our cake is baking, we're going to go ahead and prepare our glaze. Guys, this cake has levels of orange throughout the whole cake. It is insane, but it is so delicious. Okay, our ingredients are super simple. It is butter and orange marmalade. We're going to take the two and melt them in a microwave safe dish for about 1 minute. Then stir to combine. Our cake baked for 30 minutes. And now you want to go ahead and brush your glaze on your cake as soon as you get it out of the oven. because you want it to soak in all of this nice syrupy glaze. So you know this is going to be one moist, citrusy cake. Make sure every inch of your cake gets some of that glaze. Once you glaze your cake, now you have to let it cool to room temperature before adding the icing. To make the icing, we'll take some cream cheese and powdered sugar and mix together. I guess I should have used a larger bowl, huh? But oh well, we're going to get through it. Let's add some of the fresh orange juice to help smooth it out. You want to do a tablespoon at a time until you get the desired consistency. And that is perfect. We're going to go ahead and mix our remaining orange zest. And we are ready to level our cake up for the third time. So we have the nice zesty cake. Then we have the beautiful marmalade glazed. And now we have the nice zesty icing. This is such a treat. I'm simply going to freehandedly add my icing to my cake. Nothing fancy. We're just going to get it on there and make sure it's covered completely. Guys, I promise you, you will definitely enjoy this cake. You have so many different levels of orange and white chocolate. The white chocolate chips add a nice crunch to every bite. And we're just going to finish everything up by putting some zest all over that icing, as if we didn't have enough zest already. But this is a orange white chocolate cake. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and cut us some. As I stated earlier, the combination of white chocolate and the zesty orange flavors create a rich and decadent dessert. This cake is moist, tender, and beautifully infused with a citrusy aroma of fresh oranges, complemented by the sweet notes of white chocolate. It's a heavenly little treat, the perfect balance of sweetness. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel because I have much more to come. And always remember, you are more than welcome to always visit Simply Mercy B. And until next time, you have a wonderful day and we'll talk later.